So when it comes to the detail of the design, we obviously have to bear in mind that this course, Turnberry, Ailsa Course, has to be ready for the world's best players. But also, we have to consider that it's 99% of the time this is played by Turnberry Golf Club members, by visiting players who stay in the hotel. So it really has to meet all standards of golfer, really. My name is Martin Ebert. I'm a director of Mackenzie & Ebert. We call ourselves international golf course architects because we do work all over the world. We've been so fortunate in our careers to be advising on so many great golf courses, but Turnberry's sort of right up there amongst the best experiences that I've had. So it's always good to come back to this great resort. And I think that's what really makes Turnberry special for me, is that there are so many links courses that enjoy the seaside setting, but they don't use the sea. At Turnberry, we now have a stretch of holes from the 4th through to the 11th, which is, I think, unsurpassed in the world in terms of its proximity to the sea, the opportunities for hitting your ball on a beach or in the water. There are not many links courses where that is the case, so it's in a real special category of its own. Turning to our current project, the 7th and 8th holes in particular, I have to give a lot of credit to Trump for that. He came up with the concept of doglegging the 7th hole to put a green right on the cliff top edge of the dunes. The views from that green will be absolutely sensational right down onto the beach in Turnberry Bay. So the knock-on effect of that, of moving the 8th tees over onto the right-hand side of the 7th hole, will lead to the 8th having a much better line of play from the tee. And also a full view of the hole and the green from the tee, which isn't available at the current, with the current hole. As well, we've got the 13th, which, and the 13th green and the 14th tees, which are divided by the Lighthouse Road. We're just going to give both of those areas a bit more privacy with the construction of some dunes, which will just really keep the golfers separate from people, which obviously quite understandably want to go and walk their way to the beautiful lighthouse. So I guess the message coming through is that nothing stands still at Turnberry. The quest for perfection and improvement is constant. It's exhilarating to be part of that process, and I think it will continue. So I'd like to welcome anybody that comes to Turnberry to play these great golf courses. It's given me so much in my life, and I think however short or long your stay is, I'm sure you'll enjoy it immensely as well.